We're back with some goodies. I picked up two new belts from the local automotive store. Yeah, B series 5/8 by 64 inches length, made in PRC, People Republic of China. Okay, it's a Hero brand. All right, and it's green. It's not black, but the green should work. We have a engine, a pulley, belt, two belts. There's a number 27, a V belt B63H2. Installation is opposite to removal, and we'll start feeding belt from the engine side and go up to the pump side. And as you can see, outer part of the belt is wider than side height. We'll have to twist the belt sideways to feed between the frame and a pump pulley. Yeah, let's get a belt in. All right, same way it came out. Nice and easy. Okay. If this video is helpful, informational, or even interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, let's get a belt over our idler tensioner roller and get to the pump. All right, now I'm going to twist the belt sideways like that, as I said. Give myself enough slack over. See how nice and easy sideways. There we go. All right, we're over the pulley in the first groove. Let's pull the belt all the way to the drive pulley. A drive pulley, driven pulley. Okay, get a belt over the pulley. It should go like so. Let's get in the first slot, and then we can turn the pulley and get a belt over. The ravens are pretty loud today. They're singing. Very happy. All right, here we go. And as you can see, we have a belt in a groove, second groove, and yeah, everything's lined up pretty good. Here's our tensioner, and you put a tensioner up like that, and then you have a good tension on the belt, no slack that you want, and you release the tension, and then belt has enough slack to have some slippage on the pulley. Yeah, that's what you want. Okay, belt number 2. Let's pull it out. Yeah. Here's the part number. I will put all information down in the description below under the video. Same way as we put first belt, we're going to put a second one. It's a B61 Hero. Belt is Hero. Okay, you can see there's a belt already in place. Let's just make it look pretty. Put it like that, right? I like it. When everything nice and organized and matching the profile. Okay, let's pull the belt up and over. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, please take a second to subscribe to the channel. Very appreciated that. All right, same as we did with the first belt. Twisted, get it behind the pump pulley and the frame. Give yourself a little bit more slack. More is better. Easy to feed through. Rub it on the bottom, make sure it's not twisting, and slide it over. Yes, victory. We're winning. Okay, belt is in. Our heroes are aligned. Not necessary, but it's pretty. Okay. Second bolt is coming out down. Started at the top. Now we can just roll the pulley and belt will get up and down. Sweet. Oh, check it out. Nice. Awesome. Everything's so lined up where I like it. I know they might slip over along each other, but at least it's good for now. Pretty good. All right, let's set a tension. There's a clutch. Oh yeah, they're tight. Nice. You can actually squeeze them a little bit, which should be, they have to flex a little bit. You don't want to too tight. Yeah, now we have to check the tension, and rule for the belt slippage tensioner: when belt is released, drive pulley should slide inside the belt freely. Don't want it too tight, otherwise belt will smoke, it will burn. But you also don't want it too loose when you put a tension, engage your clutch like that, and the belt should be tight, and transfer the torque to the pump and run all hydraulics. We have a lift and we have our final drive walk-in motors. Yeah, right now I will just leave the tensioner set up where it is. We have to do an adjustments. It's pretty easy. Just 1, 2, 3, pop this cover off, the 3 bolts, and as you can see inside there's a 2 nuts and a tensioner adjustment bolt. We can play with that if we need at some point. Just because I don't have 2 rollers on the machine, I cannot just go and take it for a spin. But this is an easy thing to do if we have to do some adjustments later. We always can get back to it. And right now belt is engaged, it's tight, and as you can see, so if I manually pull the belt, hydraulic pump pulley is turning, as you can see here. Let's turn the pump pulley with the belt by pulling the belt by hand, and as you can see, pulley is turning. Belt is not slipping on a drive pulley on the engine, and pump is turning, and I have a tension, and I still can twist the belt like that, which is good. I have to maintain a little bit of slack. You don't want to too tight, otherwise when clutch is disengaged, belt will burn, as I said earlier. And as you can see, everything's turning. It's getting harder to pull the belt by hand right now because engine in compression stroke. Well, yeah, beauty. Happy for now. If needed, as I said, we'll do all necessary adjustments. And yeah, I'm going to put my safety guards covers. This one's for the back. No, this one's for the back, like so. You can see some wear from the tensioner arm, and this one's going here. Yeah, awesome. Okay, let's put them back. Guards are back in place, all tight. This guard prevents belt from slipping off the pulley and also preventing anything getting under the belt and get caught. Yeah, same on this side, nice and tight. Everything's put back together. I'm going to put this cover plate back, and for now I will just drop the upper panels down, put a couple bolts. We're not out of the woods completely, but so far so good. We had a complaint condition, no power going up the hill, slippage on the belt, no torque. We found the cause, worn out, old, dry, rotten belt. We corrected the issue. We found a new not OEM replacement belt, install it, and only we have to do confirmation. We have to confirm the repair, but as I said, unfortunately we cannot go for a rep. Yeah, I will make a short video, post it later a bit, how everything's going. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video, appreciated that. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Yeah, see you next one. Bye bye. All right, good enough.